Topic is matrices, addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction of matrices. First of all, I will explain addition of matrices. Suppose two matrices are given. A, B, C and D. And the second matrix is B is equal to E, F, G, H. So now I will tell you how you will have to add these two matrices. So first I will write A plus B. So A, B, C, D, these are called the elements of matrix A, and E, F, G, H, these are called the elements of matrix B. So first element of A and the first element of B, A plus E, second element of A and second element of B, third element of A, third element of B, fourth element of A and the fourth element of B. So this is called addition of matrices. Now I will explain subtraction of matrices. I will write A minus B because we are subtracting two matrices. So matrices will be same. I will write A minus E and B minus F. Now C minus G and D minus H. So this is called subtraction of matrices A and B. But there are some basic rules in addition and in subtraction. Basic rules I am telling you. Now I am going to tell you about the basic rules of addition and subtraction of two matrices. I am rubbing these two. I am writing basic rules. A plus B is equal to B plus A. If you are doing like this, then position of A and B will not be changed. So A and B can change position. In addition only, but in subtraction A minus B is equal to B minus A. A matrix A and B matrix B should not change position. When I will solve these two addition and subtraction of matrices with the help of numbers, you can see there will be no effect on the when you will change the position. So as position will be same in addition, but in subtraction position A and B should not change position. So you will say when I will solve these two matrices with the help of numbers. So I hope you have understood all the concept well, and please subscribe to my channel.